Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. I know I've been away from YouTube for like a month or 2 months now, but I'm back. So in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to convert currency. So I want to convert US dollars to euros, or US dollars to pounds, or pounds to Indian rupees, like any currency. So let's get right into it. Right here I have my Visual Studio Code up and running, and what I have to do is just to install only one module, and which is the Google currency. So I'm gonna say pip install Google currency, and Google currency is the API that we're gonna be using to convert the currency from one currency to another. So I'm gonna install that, and I've installed mine. That's why mine says requirements already satisfied. So yours should just go ahead and install it. So right here I have my main.py file open. I just created it by just going here and typing main.py and tap enter, and that's gonna create it for me. So what we have to do here is just to import the Google currency that we just installed. So we're gonna say import Google currency. So let's say for example I want to convert from US dollars to Naira. Like, you know, I stay in Nigeria, so our currency is Naira here in Nigeria. So what I'm going to say is to say print Google currency dot convert. So I want to convert it, and this is the function, and the parameter I'm going to pass is from, let's say, USD. So I want to convert from USD dollars. It's like from US dollars to Naira. So first of all you have to put what you're gonna convert from. So I want to convert from USD to Naira. So a Naira is NGN. So I'm gonna write NGN over here, and now I have to pass the amount. So for example, let's say I want to pass in $30. So here I'm just gonna run my code, and we're gonna see what it's gonna give me. So right here you can see it says from is USD to Naira amounts 11,436 and converted through. So this is like in a JSON format. So right here this is the amount, and I can also do from, let's say, USD dollars to INR, and let's run that now and let's see what that's gonna give me. So here you can see, yeah. So that's how it actually works. And if you just want to know like how I knew these stuffs, what you can just do is just to say, let's say, print currency dot codes. So let's say codes, yeah, and let's run that now, and you're gonna see a list of all the things you can convert. So here you can see here everything like Boliviano. By the way, I'm a mixed race, so I'm half Bolivian and half Nigerian. So this is Bolivian and other currencies in the world. So you can actually just use that to like convert from one currency to another. So that's it for this video, guys. Please smash the like button, share to your friends and family, or anybody that will find this useful, and please comment. Like, it actually helps a lot. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.